Children, today we will continue with the chapter Microorganisms are friends and foes. Children, today I will tell you certain diseases, infectious diseases caused by microorganisms. Now it is a very dry part of the chapter and it's a daunting task to learn all these tables. So here I have created few short techniques so that you may easily remember the diseases caused by these microorganisms. The four microorganisms which are in our syllabus are bacteria, virus, fungi and protozoans. I have already told you about the fungal diseases in my previous video. These two are ringworm and athlete's foot. If you will not take care of the personal hygiene, these two diseases can be faced by us. And the other three microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, protozoans, and the disease caused by these microorganisms can be learned in a very easy method, in a very easy way by certain short tricks. Let us start with the short trick. Now, just look at the screen. You will be seeing certain words underlined. Now, these underlined words are the microorganism. The first microorganism is virus. As soon as we see this word, we start remembering the problem which we are facing these days, the dreadful condition that is corona. This dreadful condition is due to corona. It is a viral disease. Now, corona will be saved by us. Corona will save us from CID. CID, you already know, is a very famous serial among the people. And in CID, there is a famous hero, ACP Pradyuman. Now, from the word ACP, we can link three diseases: A for AIDS, C for common cold, P for polio. Now, AIDS, common cold and polio, these three diseases are the viral diseases, and with the help of this short trick, we can easily remember these diseases. Viruses can be linked with the corona. From corona, CID will save us. Superhero of CID is ACP Pradyuman, and from the word ACP, we can link three diseases: A for AIDS, C for common cold, P for polio. Now let us see the other example, that is bacteria. In the word itself, there are two letters, C and T. Now C can be linked to cholera and T for triple T, three times, three diseases caused by T: typhoid, tetanus and TB. Now we can easily remember the bacterial diseases from the word bacteria itself. C for cholera, T for triple T, that is three diseases: typhoid, tetanus and TB. Now let us see the another microorganism, that is the protozoans. Now just see the word protozoans. The last part of this word is zones. From this word we can make the word zone. Now zone word is very famous as blue zone in the PUBG game. PUBG game is very famous among the students. We already know. And what happens in blue zone? If we will not play properly, we can miss our life. In blue zone, we can miss our life if we will not play properly. Now from this word miss, we can make out two diseases: M for malaria and S for sleeping sickness. M for malaria and S for sleeping sickness. And these two diseases are caused by the protozoans. So by these short tricks, I hope you will able to learn the diseases caused by infectious diseases caused by certain microorganisms.